Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Play 2023. So Motorola has announced the 2023 version of the Moto G Play. It has been announced. Y'all guys can check it out, link down below. Y'all guys can register to get updates for the phone. So this one is coming soon, guys, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone from Motorola, the Moto G Play could be the phone for you guys to check out. There is over with, or it might come out in 2020, but it's coming soon. So yeah, there's the front and back of the Moto G Play. So yeah, we haven't had a Moto G Play in 2 years. The last one I remember we had was the Moto G Play 2020 version. For some reason, I'm not sure why that is, but that's kind of weird. But now here we are. The Moto G Play is now back for 2023. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can. Okay. So there is the front and back of the Moto G Play. Y'all guys have your hole punch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Your screen there has like a big ass bezel at the bottom there. Y'all guys can see big ass bezel. So yeah, on the back of the phone looks like a triple camera system. Fingerprint sensor is this Motorola logo, which is iconic, you know, because Motorola will put their fingerprint sensors right there in the back symbol, so that's pretty sweet. There's a camera setup there. Very nice looking phone. It kind of reminds me of the 2022 versions of the Moto G phones a little bit in terms of like the way it's designed and stuff, so that's kind of interesting. There's the front there, like I said, front facing camera, earpiece, screen there, big ass bezel at the bottom. Here's a close look at the back. Triple camera system, fingerprint sensor right here. This is probably a dual LED flash, which is nice. Then yeah, and it looks like it's like a slippery bag to it, so keep that in mind though. Yeah, right side of the phone, power button, volume keys right there. Camera just a tiny bit down the back, so keep that in mind. And the left side here, your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone right here, on the left right here, where the little magnifying glass is. That's where your micro SD and SIM card slot goes. So the battery is not removable, so pretty much standard now. Says refreshingly fast. Your entertainment experience is amazing on a 6.5-inch HD plus display, and switching between apps or scrolling through websites is super smooth with a 90Hz refresh rate. So pretty nice. So the Moto G Play 2023 version now has a 90Hz refresh rate. So that's new to the Moto G Play line. That's new. The 2021 version had a standard 60Hz display there, so you guys could see the difference between the 60Hz and 90Hz displays. Well, obviously, the higher can't talk for some reason, but the higher the refresh rate is, the smoother that the screen will look. So pretty cool there. A camera that's 3 times as nice. You guys can see the cameras right there. It says get pro level fast focusing swipe images with a 16 megapixel AI powered triple camera system. So pretty cool there. Make every photo memorable, right? So they got a couple of simple photos here. Y'all guys should check them out. Says get creative with spot color. Make your color of choice pop and turn everything else in the photo black and white. That's what spot color is. Then you guys have Something to do with the front-facing camera. Camera head says, "Don't miss a smile. Take the perfect group photos by just smiling at the camera." It says, "Have fun with others. Add a creative layer to your photos by choosing from 14 different color tones in real time." So it's pretty cool there. I don't know why it's not scrolling over. I don't get that. It's not scrolling over. But I am on this picture right here. It says, "Brilliant shots are a snap. The fast-focusing AI-assisted camera ensures you get sharp, stunning results even when the lighting isn't perfect." I don't like this, yeah. I did that. I was talking about that. And then what photos? I don't even know what. I don't know what's it highlighting. I guess it's just highlighting this thing here. It says, "A closer view, get within 3 centimeters of your subject and capture some magnificent details." Alright. Says get create. Alright, I just did that. Let me just. Okay, so they're going back in order. That was weird to me there. Superpower your day. Take a break from the power outlet and stay charged with up to 3 days of battery life. So this has a 5,000 mAh battery in it, I believe. So very nice. Y'all guys get great battery life on this phone anyways, because it only has an HD plus display. That's a 720p display. So y'all guys should get some really good battery life on this phone regardless. So 3 days is a lot, because I know it depends on your usage though, because some people, or a lot of people, they're on their phones constantly, so you might not make it 3 days. More features you will enjoy. Smooth experience, ample storage. Find your phone, respond to every touch, tap, and swipe. With 3 GB of RAM, store all your favorite content, and get up to 5 GB using a microSD card. Your fingerprint is your password. Don't bother with the passcode. Just touch the fingerprint reader to unlock your phone instantly. Water repellent, water free. Keep in mind though that the Moto G Play is not waterproof. It's water repellent. So if you guys get a little water on your phone, you guys should be fine. But don't submerge your phone in water. Don't do that, because it's not ready to do that. So I said, whether you're going for a run or taking a call in the rain, your water repellent phone resists spills and splashes. Alright. Specs. Performance has Android 12 with easy access to the Google apps you need most. Obviously 30 GB of internal storage with microSD card expansion. Sensors, you have a notification LED type. Okay, fingerprint reader, which is on the back, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, e-compass, hotspot, barometer. Alright. It has a MediaTek Helio G37 processor, up to 5 GB rear microSD, 3 GB of RAM, and fingerprint sensor in the rear. Battery is 5,000 milliamps, which is pretty good size for this battery. 10 watt rapid charging in box, up to 3 days of battery life, and 10 watt rapid charger. So you guys do get a charging brick in the box, which is very nice to have, because a lot of phones now, especially flagship phones, don't come with a charger in the box. So you guys will get a charger in the box, which is very nice. So You got display 6.5 inches HD plus. That is 1600 by 720 pixel resolution, 269 ppi. Screen to body ratio is 86.45%. Display type is IPS TFT LCD display, 90 Hz refresh rate, 20 by 9 aspect ratio there. So your standard display there, it should be pretty decent for what it is about the smartphone. There's your dimensions there. I wish it was on height and length and stuff, but there's your dimensions there. It has a plastic design, a plastic body. My microphone box is knocked over, whatever. So it's made of plastic, so keep it in mind you do have a Type-C charging port, and you do get a water repellent design. It's not waterproof, guys, so it's IP52 rated for that. So if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. But don't submerge your phone in water, don't do that. And it's available in a deep indigo color, so it's like a I guess like a bluish purplish color, I guess. So the camera, y'all have a 16 megapixel sensor, f1.22 aperture, 2 megapixel macro, f2.4 aperture, 2 megapixel depth with f2.4 aperture, single LED flash. I thought it was dual LED flash, but it's not. It's only a single LED flash. I thought it was dual, but it's not. So y'all guys get a macro camera, lens on the back, and a depth sensor on the back. Y'all guys get the video types as you guys can do on the phone. Is the main camera record. You can do hyperlapse video, and taking the macro camera lens, y'all guys can record in Full HD at 30 frames per second. Rear camera software. The main camera has auto smile capture, smart composition HDR, timer, active photos, burst shot, portrait mode, spot color, live filter, Google Lens integration, panorama, macro. It has panorama. The macro lens has burst shot, spot color, active photo, live filter, HDR. Front camera 5 megapixel with the f2.4 aperture. The front and rear cameras can record in. The front and rear main camera can record in Full HD at 30 frames per second. The macro camera can record in 720p HD at 30 frames per second. So keep that in mind. The front camera software on the front camera, you guys have an auto smile capture, burst shot, active photo, live filter, spot color, gesture, selfie, HDR. Front camera video software, hyperlapse video. The audio has a bottom ported loudspeaker with smart PA, which is interesting. Headphone jack, which is very nice to have. 2 microphones, one on the bottom and one on top. And you have Google Assistant, of course, so that it runs Android. Your connectivity options for the Moto G Play 2023 is you do get 4G on here. There is no 5G on this phone here. Maybe the 2024 version will have 5G, but we will wait and see. So this one only has 4G only. So if you guys are expecting 5G on this phone, this is not the phone for you. So there is your band. It has all the bands on there. Has Bluetooth 5.0. There is no NFC on this phone, which is very disappointing, especially in 2022, 2023, because just about every phone on the market right now, budget phone, flagship phone, or whatever, it does have NFC, so you guys can do Google payments and stuff like that. But this one does not have that. So if you guys use Google Pay and stuff like that, this is not the phone for you, because it does not have NFC, which is very disappointing. Your Wi-Fi connections are 802.11 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, GPS. It takes a single SIM card, which is a nano SIM card. And you do get a micro SD card slot, which I suggest you guys take advantage of that. What comes in the box is a Moto G Play 2023 version. The charger, Type-C cable, guide, SIM tool, and that is it in the box. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Moto G Play 2023 is now here. It has been announced by Motorola. It is coming soon. It's coming to every carrier in the US imaginable. This phone's gonna go this phone's gonna go to every carrier in the US, postpaid and prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever, the phone looks very nice in my opinion. The specs are decent. I mean, the Moto Play line is like the budget version of the Moto G line. It's like the budget version, and you guys got the Moto G Power, which is like the powerhouse, and then you guys got the Moto G Stylus, which is like the line with the stylus pen, of course. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone, like I said, the Moto G Play could be one for you guys to check out here. It kind of looks like the Moto G phones from 2022. Kind of looks like that in terms of like design limits and stuff like that. So it does look very nice. There are some cons to the phone, obviously. But this is a budget phone, so you will get what you pay for here, so keep that in mind. So yeah, this phone should be coming out soon, maybe before the year's over with, or early 2023. I'm not really sure. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.